Welcome back to this Chapter 14 video tutorial on Macro and VBA Basic to Advanced video series. Here we will learn how to add, rename, delete, and hide unhide sheets using VBA code in Microsoft Excel. First, create a module and sub-procedure. Then start writing these codes. To add a new sheet here, write this code. If I run this code, new sheet will be created. By default, new sheet will be added before the active sheet. If I run the code again, new sheet will be added before sheet AB. Let's run it. Sheet 5 is added before sheet AB. To add a sheet after sheet AB, write this code. This code will add a new sheet after sheet AB. Let's run it. New sheet is added after sheet AB. To add sheet before specific sheet, use before in this place. Let's learn how to add sheet with specific name. Suppose you want to add a new sheet with the name of GH. For this, write this VBA code. Let's run the code. A new sheet with the name of GH is added. Let's learn how to rename the sheet. Suppose if you want to rename the sheet 5 with a name of XYZ, write this code. Here, put the index number of sheet 5. That is 3. If I run this code, sheet 5 will be renamed as XYZ. Let's run it. Here you see, sheet is renamed. Here, you can also use the actual name of sheet instead of sheet index number. Let's learn how to delete sheets using VBA. Suppose if you need to delete the sheet XYZ, write this code. Let's run the code. The delete confirmation message is given. If you click on delete, sheet will be deleted. But what if you want not to show this confirmation message? In this case, add this code before the delete code. This code will disable the alert message. After the delete code, write another code to enable the alert message. Let's run the code. Sheet will be deleted without showing any alert message. Here, alternatively, you can put the sheet index too. Let's learn how to delete multiple sheets together. For this, let me create here few new sheets. Suppose I need to delete these 3 sheets together. In this case, write this code. To remove the delete confirmation alert, write these codes before and after the delete code. If I run the code, these 3 sheets will be deleted. Let's learn how to hide and unhide sheets using VBA code. If you want to hide this sheet ABC, write this code. Let's run the code. Sheet ABC is hidden. To unhide sheet ABC, change this hidden to visible. Let's run the code. Sheet ABC is visible. If you want to disable users from manually unhiding the sheet, you can modify this code. Change the Excel sheet hidden to Excel sheet very hidden. Run the code. Now, if the user tries to unhide the sheet, the Unhide option is grayed out. To unhide this, user must go to VBA editor. This applies the extra security to the sheet. To unhide the sheet, again modify the code. Sheet is visible again. So, this is all about the create, rename, delete, and hide/unhide sheets using the VBA code in Excel. In the next chapter, we will learn how to copy and move sheets using VBA code. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next chapter.